Hi, I'm Sarah Swan, and I'm a graphic designer, illustrator, and digital painter. I used to be a teacher, and also I run my own Etsy business, and I have a passion for design. A little story is I actually started learning the Adobe programs about 20 years ago. I think it was 2005 when I first started learning Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and even like 3D Studio Max and Micromedia Flash when it was called that. So I was an animation student and I studied multimedia arts. And since then, I have not only grown in my style but and gain more skills, but I also have an interest in branding. I have an interest in social media marketing, and now that I am doing my own Etsy shop, I love doing anything that's with e-commerce, and applying those to, let's say, we're doing a mock-up, right, for your Etsy listing. Some of the values that I have when I work with people is I like to look at the big picture, not just what you need, but I want to know the purpose. I want to know the why. Like, who is this for? What are you doing? Are you trying to get sales? And if so, who is that person that you're trying to attract? Who's that customer? And based on that, choosing fonts and choosing colors and designs that help you kind of attract that customer. So, and also I'm interested in collaboration and communication. So when I work with you, I like to work closely with you, and so I can get meet your needs and get what you need, right? So it's not just the design, but it's the overall picture. So what can I help you with? I can help you with logos, business cards, brochures, book layouts, book covers, posters, illustrations, simple website designs such as through Wix, online banners, doing mock-ups for your product photography. If you have, let's say you have an Etsy site or you have some kind of site and you need help with that kind of stuff, I can for sure do mock-ups. I can also do stationery and envelopes, so I actually can design something on there because of the illustration. I also do illustrations, infographics. You can check out my illustrations on this site as well as my website. I could do online presentations such as Prezi or Google Slides. Let's say you need a gift for someone and you want something special. And if you look at my collection, they're semi-realistic. So for example, there's a gummy bear one. And if you look at it, it looks like a photo. But in reality, it's actually just paint strokes. So I love to be able to kind of duplicate that kind of real life texture so that it actually looks like a photograph, but yet there's painting elements to it. If you look closely, you can see the painting elements. If you think that any of this could work for you or this is interesting to you, please check out my portfolio. And if you're interested and you have a project, please reach out to me. Let me know what that project is, and then we can set up a meeting. I normally do like 15 minutes or so I can talk to you and find out what your needs are. And yeah, I would love to hear back from you, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video.